Hey y'all! I can't believe my voice just cracked like that. Hold on. Let me do it again. Hey y'all! Welcome back to another video, babe. You already know who it is. It's your girl Chanel. If you don't know for real though, I also go by Simply Flawless because the nails, you see it. You see the material, okay?
Nice.
You see the material, girl. Anyway, welcome to my video, y'all. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I really want y'all to join my team. You know, I'm teaching the nail girlies or just the regular girlies, whoever you are. I'm teaching you my gems and my tips and tricks that I do when I'm doing nails, when I am learning new techniques, when I'm teaching new techniques. So make sure you tap in with me. Make sure you comment below some stuff that you want to see from me. But all in all, y'all need to make sure y'all subscribe because we lit and we gonna keep this train moving, okay? Period. So yeah, welcome to my video, guys. I'm really just organizing my space because it's a mess. I'm about to show y'all. The nail room is a disaster, right? Yeah, it's a mess, y'all. Like, I gotta get it together. So I'm about to do that for y'all real quick. Stay tuned. Watch how I just kind of get it together real fast. And then I'm gonna come back and chit chat with y'all because it's been a minute, and I might even come back on and do my nails. These are real cute, no shade, but it's time for them to go. Can y'all believe I did not do my nails for Breezy Bowl? Like, I wore these. That was not the plan, but they cute regardless, so I'm not even tripping. I was still that girl for real. So yeah, but anyway, y'all stay tuned and let's get to this organization, baby. Sure, the camera is following your girl. So yeah, I'm back. Like, I have to open up the window to get a little light situation going. The nail room is a disaster right now. Like, look at all the stuff I just got everywhere. Maintenance had to come by. They had to do some stuff with my water heater. So they had to get up in the attic for that. And the attic, as you can see, is at the top of the closet. So don't worry about this stuff down here. This is for my boyfriend, you know, plant growing and tree growing stuff. So okay. Yeah, we're gonna ignore that, but we're gonna put the rest of this stuff up for real because this is unacceptable. I don't do business like this. I hold everything to a high standard. So for real, let me get this stuff put up real quick. And then let's try to get some nails or something done. I really need to do my nails for real. More so my toes, because my toes is jacked. I haven't did them in like, maybe like a cool 2 months or so. Which, don't judge me, judge your mama. I don't remember where I had everything at exactly, but I know that the shit is in there and it fit. So while I'm here, let me take out some more of my my petty packs. Now these pedicure kits come with a file, buffer, toe separator, and then a pumice stone. Let me just put them in here. You gonna follow me, babe? Follow me? Follow me, I'm up here. Okay. I don't even remember how I had this stuff for real. I want to say it was like that. Pedicure liner bowls, so I'm gonna have to order some more of those soon. Buy in bulk, so that when it comes to getting my stuff done, I have no worries. I kind of leave a little bit of space to get these liners out. What is even in here? I guess nothing. I guess this is a light travel kit. when I am going somewhere local and I really don't need that much supplies, just something real quick to grab and go, I'll bring in my liquids. So I got some cuticle oil and I got some callus remover in bulk. Because like I said, I am definitely a buy in bulk girly. I'm not trying to come back every week for products, so therefore I just buy it all at one time. I need to load this up in my travel case. I was looking for this because I'm like, I know I got some activator for when I want to put the stones on and then just with glue or something. Yeah, I got primer in here, nail glue, top coat, foil gel. I'm trying to fit that into my case for when I travel because there's definitely some room up in there. I do remember where all this shit came from. When I was in between nail shops and stuff, I would bring all my shit, like, you know, stuff that I might really need. I put it in a bag so that it would be on hand whenever I needed it. And I haven't been back to no shop, so I haven't really went in here and really like went through what all this shit was, but definitely it's some stuff I could have been using for my travel clients. Look, I got like mini sanding bands in there that I could have been using this whole time. I got brushes and pencils and all kinds of other shit that I could have been using. Some nail tips I'm probably not going to use no time soon. A cord for what? I don't know what this is for, my drill or something. Yeah, and then here's a little trash can, a little trash bag that I can just dump my trash in for now. Okay. So yeah, we getting it together. Business cards of other people, so I'm gonna just put them in my drawer and then I can pass them out. Pink royalty, you know, if you need those naughty girl parties, if you need some toys, if you need something for you and your partner, you know, y'all trying to get into some, yeah, hit my girl up. Somehow I can wrap them around my desk. Yes. My buffing pads that I just got. Yeah, I gotta use the restroom, so that's why I'm kind of like bouncing around a little bit. I want to just get this stuff put away first.
You serious?
Decorative stuff that I use when the seasons change. So now that it's fall, I can go ahead and put this up. Let me move y'all over here to the fridge so y'all can see what I'm doing over here. Okay, so switching out my candles. I think I'm gonna leave that one out. Got my grad cap. These cups that were my boyfriend's in his little area that I kind of just took over just now, but it's okay. I'll fix that. So I do have this gold little pumpkin or squash, whatever, that I like to put out during the fall. And I have this pumpkin candle also that I'm just gonna probably leave out. A little summery one out. Put that back up. And I have a hello autumn sign. So, and then I got some snacks. Let me just go ahead and put the rest of these out. They're just little Rice Krispie treats. That's pretty much everything that needs to be put up at the moment. Everything else is kind of just trash. So we're gonna trash it. And the stuff that I found, I gotta put that up. So yeah, be back, babes.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all. So as you can see, I am back like I never left. Just looking a little more put together, you know. I had to get a few things right. I did end up organizing everything. I put all the stuff away. Let me show y'all. So yeah, I put all the stuff that was on my desk away. I just got my bong out because y'all know what time it is. Everything else, as y'all can see, is back to normal. except for this chair. This chair needs to go back where it came from. I did pack my stuff that I found up in my case, so now that is set and ready to go with a little bit of extra stuff. I got my stuff back up in my closet, stacked how it needs to be stacked. Yeah, so now I am free to just work on the little things that I need to be working on, really, which is editing some content, posting my sale for October. I am not celebrating Halloween, y'all, but I will be doing some spooky nails. So we're just gonna, like I said, it's not for Halloween. It's more so like fall season, which I know entails like a little bit of spookiness, which I do like the spooky nails and all that stuff. So I will still be doing spooky nails. But yeah, I'm not doing no demonic stuff. I'm not painting no demons, no upside down crosses. I'm sorry, I'm not doing that. You're gonna have to find somebody else for that, love. But I am just getting all that ready. So I did create a couple of sales that just entail like, you know, like some spooky themes. I might change up the names of it because I don't really want it to go like Halloween themed. But I do want it to be like something for the girls, you know, who like to get their nails done and with the art and all that stuff around this time. So I will be doing a sale on my freestyles. So I have 4 different tiers of freestyles, but I'm only doing 3 tiers. And I'm just gonna keep up with the other stuff, but just make it a little bit discounted for the girls who want some art. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and post that. And then I gotta post my schedule opening for October, which is going to open on September 26th. Probably the same day I will be posting my my special and my little deal that I got going on, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, you already know, since I did everything I needed to do, now it's time for me to get my mind right. I found this weird little this little story thing on Snapchat. It popped up on the ads and I started watching it, and at this point, like, I can't stop watching it. Let me get my gardening on, y'all, because I gotta get my mind right and ready. Y'all see what I am blazing on. I just love the smell of MJ, my girl Lala. It's me and her to the end. We locked in. Besties for the resties. Period. Look at my freaking... I'm just going on a tangent at this point. But, you know, gotta get that content for y'all because I love y'all real bad. But look at my freaking One Piece grinder. How cute it is. If you know me, you know I love me some One Piece. And it's so cute. It got Sanji. It got, I think that's Zoro right there in the corner with the bong. Yeah. Luffy got the pipe and the bong. Sanji is rolling up. Chopper is just happy as ever. Happy to be there in my choppy. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this one for y'all because I appreciate y'all tuning in. Thank you for watching my video. If you stayed to the end, I love you real bad. You know, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and make sure you share it to some girlies who, you know, who like what we like. You like gardening, you like nails, you like beauty, you like being that girl. Make sure you tap in with me. My name is Chanel. I also go by Simply Flawless. If you don't know, now you know. But yeah, I love y'all real bad. I appreciate y'all so much for watching me and continuing on this journey with me, because, you know, this is a learning lesson for me too. And I'm learning as I go, but I appreciate y'all staying with me on this journey. I love y'all so much. Thank you for tuning in to this video, and until next time, bookies, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this one for y'all. Yeah. And that did it for me.
Just got faded. Aha!
Like I said, I love y'all real bad. Thank you for watching. And I will see y'all next video. Bye. Simply Flawless out.